Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Lizetta Bebo, and in today's video we are making donuts and I'm with my sister.
Hi guys, my name is Nzula Munyao and today I want to learn how to make donuts.
So stay tuned, but first let's start with the ingredients. So we have all-purpose wheat flour, we have 1 cup of sugar, we have 2 tablespoons of margarine, and we have dry instant yeast, and of course we have water. So let's start the process. So we're using warm water. So we've used 1.5, it's not finished the full cup, so 1.5 cups of water. So the remaining water, if you have a hand mixer, the better. If you don't have, use your hands. These are just particles of the sugar. We're going to knead it on the surface, and then we're going to add our margarine. We're going to put flour on the surface and then put our dough there. So we're going to knead this for like 10 minutes. And we're going to add our margarine. So like I told you, we are using 2 tablespoons of margarine. For my case, I'm using Prestige. This process can be messy, but we have to deal with it. So keep kneading your dough. This is the most crucial part when you're making donuts. If you don't get it right at this point, your donuts will turn out horrible. Ni horrible ama ni horrible? Comment down below. So like you've seen, we have used all our margarine. That. Now I need some flour. our dough is ready. We are going to put it in our basin, and then we are going to cover it for 30 minutes until it doubles in size. So we are going to use our cling film. If you don't have a cling film, you can use a towel, a clean towel or a clean cloth. So we are covering so that it can raise and double in size. How our dough is looking like. So we're going to let it sit for 30 minutes. So guys, it's been 30 minutes and our dough has doubled. You see? So now we're just going to crunch it.
It's not coming out like the one for bread.
Yes, because the one for bread, we leave it for 1 hour. This one we leave it for 30 minutes. We are going to start rolling out our dough. How do you know that your dough is ready? When you lift it, you see? You see?
Yeah.
The way it's like
stretching.
Yes.
In a way.
Exactly. You see?
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
You can see.
Yeah.
So that's how you know your dough is ready. So now we're going to roll it out here. But since our dough is big, we're going to cut it into half. Like that. Roll out your dough. Like this. You can cook this for your family during this festive season. You can have it as a snack or during breakfast time. You can. So guys, we are now going to cut round shapes for the donuts. So this is what I'm using. Just use something that is circular to improvise. Ama namna gani? Namna hiyo. So we're just going to cut circles. So guys, we are ready to start deep frying. So this is how our dough is looking like. Place it in there. Just keep turning them. this is ready, as you can see. So guys, we are now going to test our donuts and let the student give us her comment on today's video.
They are very nice. I love the texture inside and the color outside, and they are very easy to make.
So you've learned something?
Yes.
So you can make this on your own.
Yes.
And they are well done. Thanks guys for watching. Let's meet in the next video, and don't forget to subscribe, and also share the YouTube channel.
Nzula Munyao, brackets Kamene.
Go there, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and let's meet in the next video. Bye.